In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Looker Studio in a few straightforward steps. Whether you're aiming to export data into Excel-friendly CSV formats or integrate it directly with Google Sheets, I've got you covered. This process is really helpful when you need to analyze your data further or share it with colleagues in a more accessible format like Excel or Google Sheets. Let's dive right in. We'll start by opening up your report in Looker Studio. Make sure you have it set in View mode to access the export options. Once your report is open, you'll want to find the specific chart you're interested in exporting. Just hover over the chart, and you'll notice the options popping up. When you're ready, look towards the top right corner of the chart. There, you'll find the familiar three-dot menu, often known as the More Options menu, represented by the symbol. You could either click this menu, or, if you prefer handy shortcuts, you can simply right-click directly on the chart itself. Both of these actions will lead you to the next step. After clicking, you'll see an option labeled Export. Go ahead and select it. This is where you decide the format in which you'd like your data exported. You'll be presented with several choices, so let's break them down. First, there's the option to export as a CSV file. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a commonly used format that works well with various programs. This standard CSV format is straightforward and widely compatible. Next, there's another option specifically tailored for Excel users, the CSV, Excel format. This has the same underlying structure as a standard CSV file, but with a crucial enhancement. It handles non-ASCII characters more effectively, character sets beyond the basic English alphabet, making it particularly useful if your data includes international text. It's perfect for directly importing into Excel without encountering any unexpected errors or formatting issues. Finally, if you're working within the Google ecosystem, you can choose to export your data directly into a new Google Sheet. This seamless integration is particularly beneficial for those who collaborate with others using Google Workspace or prefer the online accessibility of Google Sheets. Before you finalize your export, there's an option labeled Keep Value Formatting. If your data in Looker Studio includes specific number formatting or date formats, checking this option ensures that such formatting is retained in your exported file, preserving the data's appearance for consistency and ease of understanding. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to export your crucial data from Looker Studio. Whether you're preparing a detailed analysis or sharing insights with your team, these methods make it easy to work efficiently with your data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.